Lionbridge provides remote work opportunities in areas like AI training, translation, and data services, but whether the application process is worth your time depends on the projects available and whether your skills match what companies need. By the end, you'll know how Lionbridge works, what the application process involves, and what to consider before applying in 2026. Lionbridge, now operating under the name TELUS Digital AI in many areas, connects workers with projects that help improve digital products and artificial intelligence systems. The work can include tasks like evaluating search results, reviewing online content, collecting data, testing digital experiences, or completing language-related projects. The main reason people apply is the ability to work remotely. Many projects allow workers to complete tasks from home, which makes the platform appealing for people looking for flexible online opportunities. The application process usually begins with creating an account and searching for available projects. Different projects have different requirements. Some positions may require specific language abilities, professional experience, technical knowledge, or passing qualification tests before you can start. The qualification process is one of the biggest parts of applying. Companies use these steps to make sure workers understand the guidelines and can complete tasks accurately. This means the application may take more effort than simply signing up for an account and immediately starting work. Project availability is another factor to consider. Remote work platforms do not always provide the same amount of work every week. Available tasks depend on client demand, project needs, and whether your profile matches current openings. Before applying, review the requirements carefully. Check the type of projects available, the skills requested, and whether the work fits your schedule. The experience can be different for every worker because projects, locations, and qualifications vary. Lionbridge can be worth trying for people who want flexible remote projects and have skills that match available opportunities. It may not be the right choice for someone looking for guaranteed hours, a fixed schedule, or traditional full-time job. The best way to evaluate it is to approach the application strategically. Create your profile, apply for projects that match your background, complete required assessments, and track how much time you spend compared with the opportunities you receive. The main points are simple. Lionbridge offers remote AI and data-related projects. The application process can include qualifications, and available work depends on current project demand. Your next step is to review current openings and compare the requirements with your skills before starting the application. If this helped you understand whether Lionbridge is worth the application process in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online work reviews.